Understanding the phrase, "Got the receipts," a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and contemporary phrase, "Got the receipts." This phrase is not just about shopping receipts. It's a metaphor used in everyday English. We're going to explore its meaning, usage, and some interesting contexts where you might come across it. So, let's get started. The phrase, "Got the receipts," is a colloquial expression that has gained popularity in recent years. It means having proof or evidence to back up one's claims, especially in arguments or disputes. The receipts here are metaphorical, representing any form of evidence, like screenshots, recordings, or witnesses. This phrase is often used in informal settings and social media. Interestingly, the phrase originated from the world of celebrity gossip and social media. It became popular as a way of proving who said what in public disputes, often involving famous personalities. The term, receipts, was metaphorically used to denote tangible evidence in such arguments. Its usage has since spread to everyday conversations, especially among younger generations. Let's see some examples to understand how "got the receipts" is used in real-life scenarios. Social media disputes. She claimed she never said that, but I've got the receipts. These screenshots show her exact words. Personal arguments. He tried to deny it, but I had all the receipts of our conversation saved. Workplace scenarios. They questioned my project proposal, but I came prepared and showed them the receipts. The phrase can vary slightly in different contexts. Some common variations include, "Show me the receipts," asking for evidence. "Where are your receipts?" doubting someone's claim and asking for proof. "I have the receipts," stating that one possesses proof. "Got the receipts" is more than just a phrase. It reflects a cultural shift towards valuing transparency and accountability. In a world dominated by social media and instant communication, this phrase embodies the importance of factual accuracy and evidence in conversations. And that's a wrap on "Got the Receipts." We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this modern English phrase and how it's used in various contexts. Remember, language is always evolving, and phrases like this one keep it exciting and dynamic. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English with real-life examples like these.